Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will compare Ford Fusion Sport versus Hellcat. We'll dive into their core differences, from performance to practicality, helping you decide which vehicle best suits your needs. Understanding their distinct characteristics is key to making an informed choice. Let's explore what each car brings to the table, highlighting their strengths and weaknesses for various drivers. When it comes to raw power, the Hellcat is in a league of its own, delivering over 700 horsepower from its supercharged V8. The Fusion Sport, however, provides a respectable 325 horsepower from its V6, paired with all-wheel drive for excellent traction. This fundamental difference in power and drivetrain significantly impacts their driving experience and intended use. Beyond performance, practicality is a major differentiator. The Fusion Sport excels as a daily driver, offering a comfortable ride, ample passenger space, and a user-friendly infotainment system. Hellcat models, while thrilling, are less focused on everyday comfort, prioritizing a visceral driving experience. Their stiffer suspension and powerful engines are geared towards performance enthusiasts. Ultimately, your choice depends on your priorities. The Fusion Sport offers a fantastic balance of performance and practicality at a more accessible price point, making it a great all-rounder. The Hellcat is for those who crave unadulterated power and don't mind sacrificing some daily convenience for an exhilarating ride. Both are impressive machines, but for very different reasons. Don't forget to check the description for a link to these fantastic meal prep containers and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.